I'm going to be showing you how to delete bookmarks, history, and tabs on Safari. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Safari app. So it's right at the top. So right at the bottom, you can find your bookmarks icon. So it's right here. Just go ahead and tap there. And make sure you choose bookmarks. So bookmark, reading list, and history. So this is bookmark. And now at the bottom right corner, you can find edit. Just go ahead and tap there. So if you want to delete bookmarks, you can manually do them by tapping on this red button. So tap on delete and there you go. That's how you delete bookmarks, history. So you need to navigate to the respective sections and use the delete option. So this is for bookmark. And for tabs, you just need to look at the bottom right corner where you can see the tabs button. And now just tap on the cross button. So there you go. That's how you delete bookmarks, history, and tabs on Safari. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.